In today's competitive market, packaging isn't just about aesthetics. It's a strategic business asset. Packaging is that unsung hero of profitability, not just for the customer, but for the sales reps as well. Now, as e-commerce and other industries continue to thrive, packaging plays a crucial role in brand perception, product safety, and of course, customer satisfaction. Now, imagine unboxing a luxury item. The packaging itself should invoke excitement and reinforce the product's brand. But choosing the right packaging materials can also lead to massive profits. Conversely, poor packaging decisions can harm your brand reputation and your customer loyalty. But let me explain. As we get into choosing the right packaging materials, it's absolutely critical if your reps or you want to make bigger money in getting away from commodity items. Follow where the machinery is. Oftentimes, I share with our reps that you can be product focused, you can be industry focused, or you can be benefit focused, as in we're cheaper, we're faster, we're bigger, or whatever. But in this particular case, I'm going to share about getting into a specialized market and doing something specialized that a lot of people don't understand have problems. For example, in the packaging world that has to do with aseptic packaging, meaning Tetra Pak and high temperature film, killing bacteria, pasteurization, whatever, milk, cream, orange juice, those kind of items, all of those things are run on a very, very sophisticated packaging equipment, machinery. And that machinery has been set up to run with certain types of film, certain types of boxes, certain types of material. What I'm getting at is oftentimes those companies, that XYZ dairy company or whatever, they are so worried and so concerned about having to replace or even imagine using a different kind of material. And I'm not saying different, but let me explain. They are so caught into the manufacturer that sold them that equipment, and whoever is selling them that film, oftentimes it's the manufacturer of the equipment, because that kind of the film or whatever the packaging is goes with the machinery. So I'll give you an example. They often put up with a lot of poor sales reps, higher prices, lousy customer service. Let me explain. I was working with a packaging reseller, very big company the other day, and they were talking about one of their particular customers. One of their customers has a piece of equipment for a confectionery candy, okay? It was made for this candy, it was set up for this candy, and the problem is that the company who sold them the equipment also sells them the film that comes off the roll for this particular type of equipment. The equipment is sophisticated, the equipment is unique, the equipment is different. However, the company that they're buying this stuff from has literally mailed it in. They get no customer service. The customer's not happy. The product isn't running right. We're getting a lot of scrap. There's not a lot of efficiency. The price has gone up. The customer service has gone out the window. So these guys are literally at this point going like, can anybody get us this stuff? What most people will do, and most companies will do, especially in the film or packaging area, they'll go, oh, geez, that runs on an XYZ 47.2. That's nonsense. Find the right packaging supplier that actually can look deeper at this and mimic. There's nothing patented with this film or this box or this bag or whatever that comes off of the equipment. There's none of that. They don't do that. But they concern or they scare people into thinking, oh boy, I could never do, man, what if we get down that road? That's nonsense. What I'm getting at is getting in the door, having conversations. I guarantee you, when you get with the right person, when you're talking about packaging on sophisticated equipment, they always want a backup supplier. Even if they're single source right now, even if they're buying from the major supplier that's out there, they want a backup. For the specific reasons that I'm explaining, you could very easily get screwed, okay? And very easily be on the hook and not be able to kind of get what you need when you need it. And COVID was a good point of this. There's a lot of people in that space where suddenly the manufacturer said, hey, we're going to be a little bit late. How late? 6 months. Whoa, how could we? And it didn't matter. Price didn't matter. Cost didn't matter. They were not running full steam and they were short-staffed, and basically their customers got screwed. And that's where a lot of these companies are looking for alternatives to supply them packaging, the film, the boxes that run on the sophisticated equipment. I hope you like this content. If you want more of it, I put together a specialized packaging alliance, a group of packaging professionals that are in different facets of this industry. We have webinars, we have meetings. The idea is to share information about this great industry of packaging, whether that be on the sales side of things, to the marketing, even to the end users. My point with this is I'd love to have you join us, the Specialized Packaging Alliance. Check out the link below to learn more. Now, here's how you do it. Here are the steps. First of all, I know it's going to be very exciting for you to look at this and say, man, they're big volume and I'm going to make a ton of money and I'm going to be rolling in dough. You have to walk before you run, okay? Have to walk before you run. This is not something you quickly run a million of anything or you're going to lose. In fact, you're going to lose and really make a mess. What you want to do is partner with the right supplier that can do test orders, samples, trial runs. And again, get in there, work on the equipment, work with the supplier of the film, work with the guy on the line that runs the equipment. What I'm getting at is by doing this, okay, you're building a relationship, number one. They're also going to share with you. Remember, you're not going in there to replace anybody yet. You are just looking to be a backup supplier. You're just looking to help them. And when you can help them and when you can get them something that not everybody else can do, and you're in there on a regular basis, maybe something doesn't work. You go back and make some more, you come back. But you're building a relationship, you're finding out what's working, you're finding out what's not working, and then you're able to pounce. And I guarantee you, once you set yourself up as that trusted person that's in there working to give them a backup supplier, give them a way to really be able to get over the hump and get, like I said, a backup supplier, then now you've got a relationship growing. Then once you've tested and tested and tested, then you can do a trial order. Then in very short order, after you've done a trial order, after you've spec'd this out, then you become first string and the other guy gets bounced, okay? So there's a way to do this, but what I'm getting at is being in this world of following the machinery is something that not many sales reps will do. When you follow the sophisticated machinery, there's always sophisticated packaging that runs on it, and you can replace that. You can compete. You can not only compete, but make 30, 40, 50% margin, and it's that kind of sticky business that you actually want. Hi everyone, it's David Marinac. I hope you enjoyed that episode. If you want to see more, here's another video that you can check out, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Thanks.